Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I thought we'd take a look at some products from Nomad. Now, it's been a while since I've done this sort of unboxing and overview, but a lot of you are always asking where I got my Apple Watch Band from, and this watch band is a Nomad titanium watch band, and I really like it, and many of you seem to like it, and their products are some of my favorite accessories for iPhones. And it's been a while since I've done any unboxing or overviews of things that were not made specifically by Apple or other companies, so I thought we'd take a look at these. Now, in full disclaimer, these were sent to me by Nomad, but this is not a sponsored or paid for video. I just thought it'd be interesting to share with you. Now, the first thing is something I actually didn't ask them to send, but I thought it was kind of interesting, and this is their rugged case for your AirPods. And so you'll see rugged case AirPods. It's just a leather case, and all of their goods are typically leather or have something like that. They're very nice and they hold up really well. So let's go ahead and open this one up. And this comes in at about $35 or $34.95. And so it's plastic but has a leather coating on it. So here's the AirPods. We'll go ahead and place them in here. And you want to leave the opening right here. And then I guess we just put the top on pretty simply like this. And it keeps your AirPods safe and keeps the case from scraping on things. It also gives it a little bit more grip, and it's got a really great leather smell to it also. So we'll set this aside and we'll take a look at the next thing. Now, the next thing is something I wouldn't typically use. In fact, if you've watched any of my videos, you know I don't normally use cases, but this one caught my eye because I've been trying to find a good wallet case or something to replace a wallet in my back pocket, and most of them don't hold enough or don't hold enough cards and things like that. So this one is made of Horween leather, just like most of their products. We'll take this out here, and this is not an inexpensive case, but it's actually cheaper than Apple's Folio case. So this is $79.99, and it opens up 3 times, or it's a trifold case. And it has a microfiber cloth lining inside, so that's really nice, or a suede type lining. It's rubberized on the sides, and then it has leather on the back, and it's a rugged case as well. So it's protected on the bottom. I'll put my phone in it in just a moment, but you'll see it has slots for 4 cards. You've got a little cash pocket here and another pocket on the other side for anything else you might need. So it's really convenient, I think, and will hold probably everything I need. So I thought I could use this when I'm on the go so I don't have to carry my wallet and just change it up from time to time. So let me go ahead and put my phone into the case here. Now the phone fits snugly. It does give some protection for the cameras, so you'll see it's recessed a little bit. So that's nice. And then on the bottom, it fully protects the bottom. So you've got access to your ports, of course, and your speakers, but it's protected. So if it does fall, you've got a good probably 1/8 of an inch there before it actually touches the bottom. And then on the top, you've got a little protection here. And then you also have lay on the table protection, but you don't really need it for this. And you'll see you've got good access to your screen. So it goes edge to edge, no problems there. And it works fine. And then again, you've got access to cards and things like that. Now, the only downside to Apple's case is this will not turn the phone off when you close the front. So it doesn't really do that. And that's okay because it does store more, but that may be something you really wanted with the Folio case from Apple, and this doesn't have it. But otherwise, it is a little bit bulky, but I'll use it either way. I'll try it out. Now, the final thing is something I've been looking at for a while. This is their base station, and it also will charge your Apple Watch at the same time. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Now, this is a little bit more expensive at $139. Now, sometimes they do have sales and things, and if they do, I'll link them in the description below. But here you can see this is the wireless charging base. And it looks like you don't have to put in your own Apple Watch charger. So that's really nice. I'll plug it in just a moment. You've got this nice pad here for your phone so it won't scratch it or anything. Then you've got a couple feet on the bottom so that it will stick to whatever you're setting it down on. So that's nice. Now, depending on where you live, you have different adapters. So this isn't for where I live, but these are for overseas. And then you have the typical adapter for America. So it's the same, and if you want to change these out, you just push this button and take this off and put a different one on. So it's really simple to use. Then you've got a nice braided cloth cord. So this is just a nice addition. It's very high quality. And let me go ahead and plug it in and see how it works. Now I have the base station plugged in, and the nice thing is there's actually 3 coils in it. So there's one here, and then in the middle, and then on the side. So that means if you have something like AirPods Pro, you can set them on the coils. although you have to be a little bit specific where you are. There we go. And it will charge the AirPods Pro, or we can charge the phone. So this will charge with this case on. So we can set the phone here like this, and you'll see it's charging. And then we also have the ability to charge other phones as well. So maybe you have a Pixel or something like that. You can charge any Qi compatible phone. That's really nice. So you can move it around a little bit because you do have a little bit of leeway depending on where this is. I did not get this to charge through here. Let me see if I can do that with the leather case on the AirPods. Yeah, it will charge. So it is actually charging. If you can see this light here, that lets you know it's charging on the front. So you can have multiple accessories. Maybe you want to charge your AirPods over here and you want to charge your phone here. You should be able to do that. It just may take a little bit of maneuvering to get it to work. So let me move this off, and then we'll put the watch on and see how that works. So it should charge the watch. There we go. You'll see it's charging the watch. Then we can charge the phone at the same time. And the nice thing is it's a 7.5 watt charger. So it should charge it fairly fast. It's not super high power, so you don't have to worry about the phone getting too hot or anything like that. But it's just really nice to be able to charge multiple things at once. Either charge it this way with your AirPods, and then just charge everything like this. So that'll be nice to have all of this available in one little base station. So I'll link all of these products in the description below so you can take a look at them and charge all of these things together. I love these docks with multiple chargers on them. I've been using a Nomad one for a while, and this one's even better than the previous one I had. But let me know your thoughts about them in the comments below. If you'd like to see more accessory videos like this, I'd love to hear from you as well. If you'd like to get your hands on this wallpaper, of course, I'll link it in the description as I always do. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more of these videos as soon as they're released. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.